Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a sub page on the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Square site. Once you are in, you have to go on the pages, and here you have to click on the home and press the gear icon. Now you have to click on the main navigation, and here you have to go on the blank page. Here your blank page has been added. Now you can give a name to this page, like I am giving sub pages. Once you give a name, you can edit this page by click on this gear icon. Here you can change the page title, also add the URL slug and change the password and also duplicate the page. If you click on the confirm, your page has been duplicated. Once you're done with all of these, you have to just click on the done and save these changes. So yeah, this is how you can make us a page on the Squarespace.